Welcome to the pirate's life.
Here we're at Dry Rocks Reef, about 6 or 7 miles off of Pennekamp Park. Eagle rays are yet another of the threatened species, and easily one of the most mystical looking creatures in all of the ocean. Here at the Cristo of the Abyss statue, this is the third statue of its type. There was 3 of them made, all made out of the same mold, but they were all chiseled by different artists. So they're all the same, but they're slightly different. So in 1962, Mr. Cressy commissioned this third casting to be built from the original mold, and he donated it to the Underwater Society of America. And in 1965, it was placed in about 30 feet of water off of the Key Largo coast. This is just a really unique combination of archaeology, history, and art. Another unique fact about the 3 statues from the same casting, they all face inwards towards each other in 3 different points in the world. Barracuda. This species really doesn't like human interaction, so out of all my time in their house, I've only seen them 3 or 4 different times, and they usually just swim right through. Today we got to spend at least 2 or 3 minutes with them, which was great. The Italian diver, Mr. Cressy, he commissioned this third casting. His brand is huge in the dive world. Cressy brand. Most people that dive, free dive, scuba dive, snorkel, mini tank, Scuba, they all know about Cressy, so his brand's still huge today. This is a school of Bermuda Chub. This is the moon jelly. There's 12 to 13 subspecies that marine scientists know about. You can see it's giving off a warning light to me, telling me to get back. This is their self-defense mechanism against sharks and several turtle species. They live about 6 months. They're heartless and brainless, but they're still smarter than a lot of people I've worked with in the past. A great reef shark pays us a visit. A group of rays is called a fever, so here we have a fever of eagle rays.
Thank you for joining on this episode of Pirate's Life. Join us next time for more adventures. And remember, pirate up! Arr!